In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily uninstall Valorant game from your computer. So first of all, click on your computer search bar and type here Valorant, and here you find Valorant app. Just right click on the Valorant app, click on uninstall. Before that, make sure you have exit the Valorant gameplay. You directly jump into your computer apps installed app section. Here click on the search apps and type here Valorant once more, and here you find Valorant. Click on this three dot, click on uninstall, click on uninstall, and here we can see Riot client is running. We couldn't uninstall because Riot client is still running. Please close Riot client and try again. So all you have to need, just exit your Riot client and click this arrow icon. Here you will find this Riot Vanguard. You have to exit Vanguard, and the same way exit Riot client. And now here just click on this three dot next to Valorant, click on uninstall, uninstall, and now we can see the Valorant game is now uninstalling. Once successfully uninstalled, click on done. And if I search here Valorant, as you can see the Valorant successfully uninstalled from my PC. If I open the Riot client, as you can see the Riot client is still running on my computer. So if you also want to uninstall the Riot client, you have to exit the Riot client first of all, just like this. Then again click on your computer search bar and type here Riot, and here you get Riot client. Click on uninstall. In the search apps box again type here Riot client and click on this three dot, click on uninstall, click on uninstall, click on yes, and as you can see I've successfully uninstalled the Riot client and the Valorant game from my computer. That's how you can actually do it.